This is Blue House salmon. I'm cooking the whole thing and utilizing parts from other salmon by hanging them and letting them roast and smoke over the grill. Blue House salmon is amazing because it has zero impact on our environment and is conserving our oceans and has a fraction of imported carbon footprint. I love cooking outdoors because I feel more in tune with the food. I'm serving this dish with a mixture of wild and brown rice, dried fruits, almonds, blue cheese, and finished with a little dill and acid. This is Blue House salmon and grains over a cowboy grill.